In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print labels from Google Sheets using the Foxy Labels add-on. If you find yourself constantly needing to print labels from your spreadsheets and you're looking for a streamlined way to do it, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To start off, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. This is where all the data that you want to include on your labels should be stored. If you don't already have your data organized, take a moment to make sure it's all set up and ready to go in your spreadsheet. Next, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Extensions. Extensions in Google Sheets offer additional functionality and allow us to accomplish tasks that the base platform might not support by default. After you've clicked on Extensions, you'll see a drop-down menu where you'll want to select the option for Foxy Labels. If you haven't installed the Foxy Labels add-on yet, you can do so by going to Google Workspace Marketplace and adding it to your extensions. Once you've selected it, you'll dive into a world of endless labeling possibilities. With the Foxy Labels menu open, go ahead and click on Create Labels. This option will begin the process of generating labels based on the data in your sheet. Another menu will pop up asking you to choose a label template. For today's video, we'll be selecting the 5160 Avery Glossy White Address Labels template. This is a popular choice because of its versatility and widespread use for a variety of labeling needs. Now, it's time to decide which fields from your Google Sheet you want to appear on your labels. In the Merge Fields section, choose the columns that contain the information you need. For our example, let's select columns like ID, name, department, and hire date, but feel free to choose whichever columns align with your labeling requirements. Once you've selected your merge fields, you have the option to customize the format of your labels. This step allows you to tweak things like font size, style, and alignment, ensuring your labels look exactly how you want them to. Customization helps in creating a polished and professional appearance for your final product. When you're satisfied with your settings, click on Create Labels. This will generate a preview of your labels so you can review them. After checking to make sure everything looks good and adjusting if necessary, click on Open to see your labels in a Google Doc format. You can now print them directly from Google Docs or make any final refinements before doing so. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently create and print labels directly from Google Sheets using the Foxy Labels add-on. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it saves you time on your future labeling projects. Thank you for watching and happy labeling.